Hello guys, welcome to the new video. It's officially day 23 of using 50,000 capital for 50 trading days. So in this today's session, we saw Nifty opening up almost near 19,017, 19,233, and thereon we saw in the first couple of candle Nifty came almost near to the yesterday's close, and even it went on to around 90,110 at around 930 level. So if you observe over here, like in the early, moving on to today's trade. Before that, I want to explain you on the daily time frame basis that if I move on to daily time frame basis, here if you see the these two candles, there was like a breakaway gap over here from the 30th of July, and if you observe for the third July, there's like the low of this candle was around 234, and the high of the previous day candle was around 19,200 201. So we have a gap of around, like I have marked those lines over here, the low of this candle and the high of this candle. So precisely, if you see, the high is around 245 and the high, the low of this, and we have around 50 points zone wherein we have the, we will have a resistance over here. What usually will happen, like whenever if you see, we have seen a Nifty taking support here at this point. This was a candle wherein we had seen a gap up, and then here we saw 4 days Nifty was trading at this point, and then we saw Nifty went on the higher side. But if I move on to this, at the present time, if you see, the Nifty had, there was a huge candle over here, and the Nifty break this zone with a huge candle, and after that we saw follow through till 200 moving average. So now again, after 200 moving average, we are seeing Nifty has bounced till this level around 250 odd levels. So unless and until Nifty gives a closing about 250 on a daily time frame basis, we will not see sustenance and we will not see the up move in the Nifty. However, if the Nifty is taking resistance, if you see Nifty is taking resistance around 250 to 230 odd levels, then you can short with a SL of 250 to 260 level for the intraday basis. On daily time frame, like if you want to take a positional trade, then the level that to be watched out is 19,250, wherein if it gives a closing above that, we can take a positional trade on the long side. But as of now, 250 level will be the where Nifty will take resistance on daily time frame basis, as we saw on the gap up that we had. So moving on to the today's trade that I had taken, if you see here in the first, I waited for almost four candles to form over here, and in the fifth candle, I thought like even the Nifty had come at this similar position where it had taken resistance over here, and then I saw this huge green candle formation over here. So the huge, let me show you my position at what time I had made first of all. So I had entered in 19,150 PE of this weekly expiry. I had bought around 300 quantities at an average price of 76 rupees. So the exact timing, if you see over here, it is around 9:39 over here. So if I move to the Nifty on a 5 minute time frame basis, you see this is the candle wherein I saw that the green candle was forming, and I exactly made around like 30 seconds before the close of this candle. So and then the logic behind the trade was that, like after a huge sell off from here, and the Nifty was taken supports almost, the yesterday's resistance level over here. It's a similar level. The Nifty took a support and then bounced. So after that, even though after seeing this green candle, I thought I entered in the put side, is because after, the logic is that after a huge sell-off there will be profit booking. Hence this candle was formed. Hence that was my logic, and according to that, after there was a doji formation, even though after this green candle, it should have the Nifty should have some follow through, but it didn't had. So and then in the next candle itself, we saw almost, let me clear this, there was kind of double bottom pattern formation over here. Like after this there was a sharp bounce back, and then again we saw Nifty taking support over here. If you see the wicks at the bottom were like forming, so I thought like there will be a support from here. Hence I exited my trade at around 9:47. So in this candle itself, I exited with this candle. I saw this in this candle, 9:45 candle. So I exited because there was a wick formation over here, and then I executed for the trade over here. So the overall profit from this trade that I gained was around 4,500. and the logic was pretty simple, that like after a profit booking there will be a pullback, and then thought of there will be a sell off if it has to continue. So that's it for this today's video, and I'll be updating about the next trades in the upcoming video. Bye.